2019 Nissan Versa or Versa No blower motor replacement tips. So on this car, the brake pedal assembly has to come out. Appears like on the internet everyone is confused on how to get it out, so I'm going to show you guys how I did for mine. Real quick, the reason why there's no step-by-step tutorial videos on this is because it takes way too long to do. It takes way more tools than necessary, and it's just a lot of time, so people just don't take the time to make a step-by-step. Maybe in the future I will. But basically, this brake pedal assembly has to come out, and the best way to do it, in my opinion, is to loosen this and remove the steering shaft, or the intermediate shaft. There's a bolt right here, and there's a bolt up the top. Remove the bolts, and then mark it where you had it perfectly, and then this will slide down, and then you could get this out of your way. Now, if you're not careful, that'll slide right off, and you'll lose your alignment, so be careful. Once I got that out, according to some people, they say that's enough space to get that brake pedal assembly out, but not for me. I was still having trouble with room. So I took this metal bracket out that's right here. It's held in by two 10mm nuts, and once I got this out, I had plenty of room to snake that brake pedal assembly out. It's right here, and right here is where the 10mm nuts are. The top one is kind of annoying to get to, but it's not too bad. And then once these two things are down, I was able to carefully pull this brake pedal assembly out. Now, obviously, it's still going to be a little bit of a fight because everything on this car is a fight, but it was way easier than trying to get it out any other way, in my opinion. So, yeah, I had way more room, and once you get this brake pedal assembly out, the whole job goes way smoother, and it's like downhill from there. So here it is. I got it out, and I'll show you the blower motor location and how to get it out as well. But yeah, I got that out, and then like I said, once that was out, getting to the blower motor was still annoying because it's way up in the top, but it wasn't too bad. Mark this steering shaft on the splines. Some people say you don't got to because it's like it has a spot that it goes to. Mark it. Never, because this will want to slide off, and then if you just put it back on, you're going to lose your alignment. Here's the blower motor up there in the dash. Get this Phillips screw out right here, and then once you get that out, you're going to grab this with your hand and rotate it towards the engine. That's the way I did it. Obviously, if you're having issues, and maybe rotate it the other way, but that's the way I did it. And then I got my blower motor out. I got my little mouse friend out of there, and that's it, guys.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights. And then you just browse to what you need and you get it, and then at checkout you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.